In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Freshbooks invoice. Imagine this. You've just received an email notification that an invoice has arrived and it's time to make a payment. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and user-friendly, especially with Freshbooks' intuitive system. Once you've logged in, it's time to get down to business. Navigate to the Invoices section of your account. Here, you'll see a list of all the invoices sent to you. Freshbooks does an excellent job of keeping everything organized, so you should easily find the invoice in question. Once you've identified the invoice you want to settle, hover over it. As you do so, you'll notice several options become available, but the one you're looking for is the Add a Payment option. This action tells Freshbooks, "Hey, I've got this covered." Clicking here will take you to the payment screen. On this screen, you'll need to input the necessary payment information, whether it's a credit card, PayPal, or another payment method. Freshbooks is designed to keep this process smooth, ensuring you encounter no hiccups along the way. After you've filled in all the details, you're only one step away from completing the transaction. Now, for the final step, click on Save. This action confirms the payment details you entered and processes the payment. Once this is done, you've successfully paid the invoice. It's a satisfying moment knowing you've cleared a bill and can tick that off your to-do list. Before I wrap up, let me share a couple of additional hints. Always double-check the invoice details before you make a payment. It's crucial to ensure you're paying the right amount to the correct recipient. And remember, Freshbooks stores your transaction history, so you can always go back and review past payments if there's ever a need. That's all there is to it. Paying an invoice on Freshbooks is as simple as following these steps. We've gone from logging in to marking an invoice as paid, all in a few clicks. So the next time you receive an invoice, there's no need to stress. With Freshbooks, you've got a straightforward path to keeping your finances in check. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Freshbooks with ease. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to manage your business finances more effectively.